Alchemy will gently guide you to places you've never visited before, realms beyond your wildest imagination. This isn't just ordinary sleep. It's a profound return to your soul's essence, a journey inward. Discover a comprehensive botanical guide to potent herbs and delicate flowers that actively awaken dream states, enhance memory recall, and promote deep healing. Experience deeply soothing rituals designed for emotional and energetic cleansing, preparing you for a night of restful sleep. Learn the ancient art of crafting candles infused with carefully selected herbs, promoting healing for both your mind and spirit. Unlock exclusive access to the Pineal Portal Bundle, a powerful tool for igniting your inner activation and unlocking your potential. This is a mystical mini course created especially for women reclaiming their inner power, intuitive seekers, and anyone who is truly ready for sacred restorative sleep. Your precious spirit deserves to be fully restored and rejuvenated. This is where your journey truly begins.